Realme launched its latest P-series phone in India today with the P2 Pro. It's headlined by a curved OLED screen, Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset, and a 50-megapixel main cam using Sony's Light 600 sensor. Alongside the new phone, Realme also introduced a budget Android tablet, the Realme P2 Lite. That device features a 10.95 LCD Helio G99 chipset and an 8,300 mAh battery. Realme P2 Pro is built around a 6.7-inch curved OLED screen with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The panel is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, features 2000 nits peak brightness, and packs a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. It comes in parrot green and eagle gray colors, featuring a BioVision design with elements that appear when exposed to light. The phone is IP65 rated against water and dust, and features a shock-absorbing mid-frame for improved drop protection. There's a substantial squircle-shaped camera island housing the 50-megapixel main cam with Sony's 1.95T 600 sensor and OIS. It is joined by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 16mm equivalent focal length. The other two cutouts are for the LED flash and a sticker. Realme went with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset paired with 812GB RAM and 128/256 512GB storage. Realme also added a 4,500mm vapor chamber to help keep thermals in check. The software side is covered by Realme UI 5.0, based on Android 14 with Realme pledging 2 Android version updates and 3 years of security updates. Rounding out the spec list is a 5,200 mAh battery with 80W SuperVolt charging, which promises a 0 to 50% charger in 19 minutes. Realme P2 Pro starts at INR 21,999, $260 for the 8 and 28GB trim. The 12 256GB version is INR $24,999, while the top-of-the-line 12 512GB trim is priced at INR 27,099, $330. Early bird sales are scheduled to begin on September 17th from Realme's online store and partner retailers. Realme P2 Lite is a budget tablet running Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14. It packs a 10.95-inch IPS LCD FHD Plus resolution and 90Hz refresh rate. The device is outfitted with quad speakers featuring Reality audio and features a dual-tone back with a vegan leather finish. P2 Lite features a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset alongside 48GB RAM and 128GB storage, which is expandable via the microSD card slot. The back houses an 8-megapixel main cam while the front packs a 5-megapixel selfie shooter. The battery comes in at 8,300 mAh and supports 15 watts charging. Realme P2 Lite comes in space gray and nebula purple colors. The 428GB version is priced at INR $14,999, while the 8 128GB trim will go for INR $16,999. The first sale date will be announced soon.